In this video we will see, what are the 9 skills that you need to learn to become a successful data engineer. A data engineer is a fast-growing profession with amazing challenges and rewards. These are the 9 skills that you have to learn. SQL, NoSQL, Python, AWS, Kafka, Hadoop, clear and concise writing, interpersonal communication, time management. Let's see one by one. SQL. Strong SQL skills allow using databases to construct data warehouses, integrating them with other tools, and analyzing that data for business purposes. There are several SQL types that data engineers might focus exclusively on at some point: advanced modeling, big data, etc. But getting there requires learning the basics of this technology. That's why all companies, from giants like Apple to small businesses, need their data engineers to be experts in using SQL. Second, NoSQL. This is a different type of distributed data storage that's becoming increasingly popular. Simply explained, the name NoSQL means technology based on something different from SQL. Examples of NoSQL include Apache River, BaseX, Ignite, Hazelcast, Coherence, and many more others. You'll definitely get across them during your data engineer job search, so knowing how to use them would be a huge advantage. Third, Python. Python is the core programming language that remains in high demand. In fact, it's the third most loved language by programmers. Data engineers are expected to be fluent in Python to be able to write maintainable, reusable, and complex functions. This language is efficient, versatile, perfect for text analytics, and gives a legit foundation for big data support. Fourth, AWS, Amazon Web Services. AWS is a popular cloud platform that most programmers use to become more agile, innovative, and scalable. Data engineering teams rely on AWS to design automated data flows, so you'll need to know the design and deployment of cloud-based data infrastructure with this tool. If you're interested in learning AWS, you might want to try online courses or Amazon's own tutorials. Then, you can try your knowledge and get an official certificate from Amazon, a good way to stand out as a professional. Fifth, Kafka. Kafka is an open-source processing software platform for handling real-time data feeds. It means you can use it to build real-time streaming apps, which is something that businesses require. Kafka-powered apps can help discover and apply trends and react to customer needs almost in real time. That's why 60% of the Fortune 100 companies use Kafka for their applications. Among those are LinkedIn, Microsoft, Netflix, Airbnb, and Target. The New York Times, for example, uses Kafka to store and distribute published content to apps to make it available to readers. Sixth, Hadoop. Apache Hadoop is an open-source framework that data engineers use to store and analyze massive amounts of information. Hadoop isn't a single platform but a number of tools that support data integration. That's why it's useful for big data analytics. If you become a data engineer, the chances you'll be using Kafka together with Hadoop for real-time data processing, monitoring, and reporting. Seventh, clear and concise writing. Writing is the first soft skill on this list. It's something that many aspiring data engineers tend to ignore, only to deprive themselves of better career opportunities. Here are the most important benefits of writing for data engineers. Solidify your knowledge. Writing blogs helps to consolidate and solidify the understanding of complex professional concepts. Explain complex data to others. You might be involved in reporting data and results to managers, team members, and these parties, which requires the ability to write clearly and concisely. Start by checking your writing with free tools like Grammarly. It will find complex sentences, unnecessary words, and generate recommendations to make writing more coherent and clearer. Eighth, interpersonal communication. A data engineer is someone who constantly communicates with different stakeholders, including data analysts, chief technology officers, developers, designers, clients, machine learning engineers, and others. LinkedIn research found that communication, including interpersonal communication, was the #1 soft skill wanted by employers. Whether you're an introvert or don't have sufficient interpersonal communication skills, you have to learn them. Last, time management. A data engineer with excellent time management skills can improve every aspect of their work. There's a lot of things that can keep you awake at night in this career, so having the ability to plan the workday and stick to the schedule is an amazing advantage. Benefits of time management that lead to happier data engineers. Less stress and anxiety. Better work-life balance. Project delivery on time. More time for personal projects or recreational activities. Less procrastination. Dear all, we provide complete notes for the course of Data Analytics with Python. These are commands notes which contains all useful commands of Core Python, Pandas, Numpy, Matplotlib, SQL. If you are interested in buying the notes, then please drop a mail at datasciencelovers@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.